What's up, everybody? It's Coco Jezreel. Welcome to my channel. I will be doing this makeup look here. So if you want to know how to do this look right here, stay tuned. And yeah, I don't know where I was going with that, but yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you in another one. Okay, so first we're going to start off with our brows. I am using the Super Slim Point Fine Brow Pencil by Absolute New York in the color Smoke. Next, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to clean up my brows. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Porcelain, and I'm just going to use this as a primer for my shadow. And I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to blend that out. For this eyeshadow look, we're going to use our James Charles Morphe palette. I'm going to go into the color B. I'm going to use this as my transition color, starting from my crease and taking it up to my brow bone. I'm going to keep packing this color on so that yellow can really stand out. Next, I'm going to go into the color 518 and just go over that yellow. Next, I'm going to go into the color Code James, and I'm going to work that into the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the color Boutique and put that on the actual eyelid. And as you can see, I'm doing more of a patting motion than a swiping motion. So now I'm going to go into the color No Beans. I'm going to put this on the outer corner of my lid and the crease just to deepen it up and give it some more depth. So now I'm going to go back into that yellow color B and use that to blend that color out. So once we've done that, I'm going to go into the color So Good and put that into the inner corner of my eyes. And now it is time for us to apply our lashes. Okay, so moving on to the face, I'm going to start off with my Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. Now after that is all rubbed in, I like to go in with my Urban Decay De-Slick Makeup Setting Spray just to set it in. Now for the concealer, I'm using the Morphe concealer in the color C525. I like to use this first because it kind of has a red undertone. You can't really tell on the camera, but since it's kind of red, I kind of use it as a color corrector. I don't know why, but I just do. So once we got that all blended out, we are going to go into our foundation. And I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the color 368. And excuse the dirty bottle. So once we've applied our foundation, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this time in the color Toffee. And I'm going to use this to conceal under my eyes, in the T-zone, my chin. You know the drill. we have our concealer all blended out, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder in the color Deep Peach just to set that. Once that is set, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Truffle to contour. And to blend that out, I'm just going to use my beauty blender. Sometimes I'll use a brush. It just really depends on how I feel. I really do not like my nose to be harshly contoured, so I'm just going to use what's left on the beauty blender to contour my nose. So after that, I'm going to go back into the Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder and use that to kind of clean up my contour. And I'm going to brush that away immediately. So for my blush, I'm going to be using MAC in the color Raizin, and I'm just going to blend that into my contour. To highlight my face, I'm going to use the True Complexion contour palette and use the color Highlight. I'm going to use the bareMinerals Clear Radiance Highlight, and I'm just going to go over the highlight I already put on my cheek. Here, I'm going to go back into the first highlighter I used and just put that into the corners of my eyes. So now I'm going to go back into the color Boutique and take that under my eyes and just smoke it. So now moving on to our lips, I'm going to use the Milani lip liner in the color Sugar Plum. For my gloss, I am wearing Victoria's Secret liquid color in the color Forbidden. So that is all for this makeup tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also, if you want to know when I post videos, go ahead and hit the notification bell. But until next time, bye.